This is our My Works lesson on pouring 1 to 2, but now we're using water. Before, you've already shown your child how to use something dry, and the reason for that is because you want to give them as much success as possible. Pouring coffee beans is far easier to clean up than water. And oftentimes in the classroom, we will have some water work, but we want to constantly create a sense of enticement. We want them to want to go back to the shelves. And so we might start with something dry and then eventually move on to something wet, just to keep them very curious. What you will need is a tray that comfortably holds a pitcher, a size that is comfortable for a child to use, and in this case you're going to want a wide mouth pitcher. You're going to need 2 bowls, shallow-ish bowls, or even little teacups, and of course our sponge for cleaning up any drips. The reason why you want a wide mouth pitcher for this lesson is because they will have to pour back the water from a non-spouted material. So you want them to have as much success as possible. Here's the lesson. What you'll want to make sure to do before you put this lesson on a shelf and before you show your child is make sure you don't have more water in the pitcher than will fit in both of the glasses or the cups or the bowls. As you saw, I started pouring in the first, and then I got the second pretty full, so the rest could go back into the other cup. It's a great lesson also for showing control in pouring. They have to stop before it overflows off of the side. So you do want to make sure that you show this lesson pretty slowly, because many children, their impulse is to just pour it. And you might actually get that. And that's okay, because that gives them an opportunity then to be taught or shown how to clean up their work. And that also gives them so much pride, is to clean up, make everything back the way it was, and then start over. Don't let them quit. Give them that opportunity to feel that sense of pride, accomplishment, and success. Enjoy the lesson.